Ever been lost in life and can't figure out where to go because your phone lost a good cell phone connection? No problem. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com. That's where you can sign up for my free newsletter. iOS 17 created a real lifeline for getting lost. A new iPhone feature lets you download maps ahead of time to use offline. This is a great feature if you're planning on going on a road trip or on a hike, and you won't be sure if you'll have cell phone reception to get you where you need to go. Here's how to download maps before you go. Number one, go to Apple Maps. Search for a location, then tap the place in your search results. Number two, tap the download button. Now, number three, if necessary, adjust the area that you want to include in the offline map. Then tap download. There are times you're going to want to be careful about the size of the maps because it'll eat up some of your precious storage. And here is something really cool. You can also follow the same steps by dropping a pin rather than searching for a specific address or location. To access a downloaded map when you no longer have reception, go to Maps, then search the location that you previously downloaded. There's going to be a border around the location showing what you'll have access to, and here's a cool thing. You'll be able to get directions and guidance within the downloaded area. To use the offline map setting, go to Maps, then tap your picture or initials next to the search field. Tap Offline Maps, select a map that you previously used. From here, you can also edit, delete, rename, resize, or view the file size of a previously downloaded map. You can also choose whether or not to download maps while only connected to a Wi-Fi network. You can also turn on optimized storage to automatically delete unused maps after a certain period of time, or turn on only use offline maps to rely on your downloaded maps even when you have internet or cell phone connection, especially when you're in the middle of nowhere. Sign up for my free newsletter for more tips like this. Go to cyberguy.com.